sunset even more. Hey everyone, welcome to Landshark. It's their birthday. Let's go say hi. This is the entrance. Now you got to make a decision. Are you going to go to the pub? Are you going to walk straight down there? Or wait for it. Are you going to meet a famous musician?
I think we're going to meet a famous musician, or at least try. Loads of parking up front, and this gorgeous massive tree for shade. Apparently Jason watches our videos. He's a fan!
Wait, sunglasses. Let's go.
The Landshark is really cool. It's right on the beach, but it's like a classic sports bar in Mauritius. They've got the TV screens, they've got the pool tables, they've got more TV screens, more pool tables, dartboards,
Foosball,
all of that. Super cool. There are at least 2 massive bars like this with big TV screens. There are quite a few toilets. I will show you them.
The pool area and the, let's just call it a sports bar, gives way to this area, which is the main reason you come here. Have a look at that. That looks straight over the sea. That is the actual sea, and you get your perfect sunsets from there. You won't believe it, we got Jason again.
Yeah.
Remember, we met him in the parking lot.
So nice to meet Ricky and Brian. Welcome to Mauritius, guys.
Thanks so much.
I'm just showing them my new product, my new CD, La Famille, just come out. In my band, Otentnik group, we're playing live. And we got Ribongia sound checking now.
So we're getting a sound check on this.
Okay.
No, this is DJ Ribongia from Italy. And they're gonna spread the word and the love.
Absolutely.
It's full of reggae, full of sege, full of joy, full of love.
Sound check in.
Must be way down.
That over there is Pereybere Beach. Yes, Pereybere Beach is just over there. And we're at Landshark, setting up to be a gorgeous sunset.
If you walk past the bar, the main bar with the beach behind us, and come down to where it says toilets here, sometimes if you're lucky, the gate is actually open and you can actually get onto the beach. Okay, it's sort of a scary step. It's okay. I didn't completely die, but here we are at the beach. And there's Ricky up there. So not only is it a great place to actually sit and look at those fantastic views, but you can actually come down to it. And there's Ricky. On the ground. There goes, well, Jason's playing bongos and the Italian DJ is actually playing xylophone. Cowbells. This is pretty cool. If you're not hearing anything now, it's because they copyrighted us. Wow, we got special permission to come into the kitchen. All these guys have said they're okay to be on YouTube, so we'll show you some of them. But they're all working very hard because this is a birthday bash and there are a lot of people.
It's a really big kitchen though.
It is, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, wow.
There's going to be lots of B-roll of those beautiful oil cookers. What are they called?
Fryers.
Fryers.
Are you on the fry station?
No, I'm a sous chef.
You're the sous chef. Sushi.
We call him sushi.
Not sushi.
Oh, he does all the sushi. He's not the sous chef. He's the sous chef.
You're the sous chef. Wow, this is confusing.
The sous chef and the sushi chef. The difference is in the E.
Oh, and here we've got some lovely little breaded things. Oh, like sesame and stuff. All those look like little shrimps. Ooh, gorgeous breaded shrimps. Sesame and black sesame as well. Yeah. Wow. Delicious. Got big grills over here. Flatbread going on. What are you making? A what?
Chicken tacos.
Ah, chicken tacos. Yes, they do tacos here. I forgot. It's another one of those places in Mauritius that you can actually get tacos. Not Brian's 7 curry tacos.
This is where the orders go out from. Oh look, that's a sushi. That looks like a sushi.
Look at this cool taco station with the salads. Busy kitchen. But always kept
Shopping in
clean.
your way or anything. This is Edmund, you met him earlier. He's the sushi chef. Sushi. How can you say that? Anyway, these are what he makes. He's not actually making one at the moment, but have a look at this. How beautiful is this?
This is a special for the birthday party.
Special for the birthday party.
It's midday. It's a mixed up, a sauteed one.
Okay, and assorted. Edmund is a master. Thank you, Edmund.
Thank you very much.
Oh, here's the chef about to show me a shark bite. And remember, this is Landshark, so there's a shark bite. What's a shark bite?
I'm sure it doesn't have shark in it.
No, of course. We got shark bite, you know mahi mahi. We have mahi mahi and cheese
Mahi
and cheese.
fish and cheese in those gorgeous little...
Yeah. Here we have the sesame crispy prawn here.
Oh, this is...
Oh, the sesame
I
crispy
saw those
prawn.
going into the fryer.
And now they're coming out looking
They're
beautiful.
amazing.
It's a real taco. Oh, wow. So, Landshark, if you're looking for a taco, I know there are a lot of you out there looking for a taco.
Especially Brian.
Tonight is a special event, and normally they do this, well, let's just call it a watered down, but not watered down, still full of flavor. A smaller menu on the concert nights. Yes, a smaller menu, we'll go with that. Normally, there are 14 people here.
Yeah, they do burgers and steaks and absolutely everything. Chicken.
Chicken,
Their
peri-peri
chicken is so good.
How's that, jinx or whatever you say?
Yeah.
Well, anyway, thanks guys, appreciate you showing us your kitchen.
Okay, so there are two bathrooms. This is one. You've got like a shared vanity system, but there are three of them. And then the ladies. I've never actually been into this one. I've been into the other one. So this is kind of new for me. Oh, nice bathrooms. Okay, I was slightly mistaken. There is actually a separate vanity in the ladies. So you can do your makeup.
So here we are at the bar. We've got Damien, who's looking after us.
He's in charge of VIP.
He's in charge of VIPs. Apparently we qualify finally. So he's organizing us some beers. Beer on tap. Is there anything better than that? Well, I'll let you know. Hang on a second. Cheers, everyone. Oh, ice cold deliciousness.
Okay, so awesome. This news just in. You've got this private rooftop area, my word, with its own bar and everything, that you can rent at the moment for free. As long as you book for a group of 25 people, you can have this private space for free. This is so cool. I could so imagine having a private birthday party up here. You could like play your own music and look at your views. I mean, like when the sunset comes, oh wow. Private beachfront place. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Like that sentiment.
Unfortunately, I met someone, but apparently this is open for private functions if Ricky hasn't told you already. And have a look at that view.
You don't even know the good news. I've already told them. They already know.
They're-
If you book for dinner for 25 people or more, you get this for free.
You get this for free.
Yeah.
How great would this be for end of year parties? Yes, the end of the year's coming. You can actually come and have an end of year party here.
Kind of cool. More people are like coming up to Brian and like, hey, I know you and stuff. They're like a really famous singer.
Apparently, the talent gets anything they want, even if it's off menu. Enjoy, guys.
Thanks, man. Cheers.
Coke from a machine. Awesome. Have a look at the skill. He does two at once. Oh man, this is epic. Watch how he controls the flow from one to the other. The man is a beer pouring machine. Yes, that's one of those classic things, looking out to sea as the sun sets. Oh man, look at the size of that beer glass. Someone's getting happy.
There's got to be one spot where the sun sets like the latest.
I was looking for you.
Look at what arrived. It's our shark butts. Oh wow. Thank you so much. Have a look at that, shark butts. Oh, how are we getting them on the sunset?
Gorgeously.
Oh wow! I'm getting them with Ricky getting them.
Snacks! We got snacks!
Okay, it's genuinely about to hit the land. There the sun goes. That music in the background, by the way, that's Jason playing. There the sun settles. You can see the red, but not on my screen for some reason. We don't really stay up late. We're not like that. But we thought we'd make the effort this time to show you that there is actually nightlife in Mauritius. Genuine nightlife. There might even be a nightclub in our future. No, there won't be. Those are way too late. They only start at 11 o'clock. What the hell's wrong with people? Getting a little bit of Jason.
If you feel the rhythm, come on. Get up on your seat. I said if you feel the rhythm, jump up.
Jason Heerah. Yes, he came. He was in the top 6 of Australian X Factor. Hope you guys heard me over there.
Please make some noise. Woo, for the star. Yeah, one of the best artists in Mauritius.
There are a lot of people dancing now.
Ophelia, give it to me. Ophelia, give it to me.
We have nightlife in Mauritius.
Clap your hands. In a circle. Landshark. In a circle. Clap your hands. In a circle. Dance challenge, y'all. Who's first? Who's first? Edna, everybody put your hands together for Edna. Go, Edna. Come on now. Come on. Hey.
So yeah, Mauritius is a proper sports bar.
How cool is that tree? It's been lit up. Oh, there's a Ricky in the way. No, just kidding. Of course she's in the way. She is the awesomest bit. But there's another tree over there. Oh, look at that. So easy to find the parking. Awesome. But the party's still going on behind us. I think it's time for us to go to bed. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.